The National Union of Cooperatives expresses solidarity with a campaign to hold those involved in the flood control scam accountable. Meanwhile, the agency is also calling for the abolition of the Ayuda system, which is prone to exploitation by some politicians for corruption. As our Bien Manalo reports.
The National Union of Cooperatives has called the accountability of all those involved in Anomaly's flood control projects. The group believes that someone must be held accountable, someone should be punished, and those involved in such corruption should be made to pay for their actions. They said that the most affected are the marginalized sectors, including the micro, small and medium enterprises or MSMEs, most of which are in vulnerable communities served by more than 10,000 cooperatives throughout the Philippines.
At sa harap po ng mga iskandalo ng gobyerno, hindi po tayo pwedeng tahimik. Kaya kailangan magsalita ang publiko, ang mamamayan, kasama na po ang ating mga organisasyon. Naniniwala rin kami that everyone should be offered or should be given due process. So, kahit nasa sinabi namin na we will go to the streets, raise our voices, still, in the end, we still believe in due process.
Because of this, they want to have a fair investigation and hold accountable all those involved in the misuse of public funds. But they should also protect and not punish the whistleblowers who are a big help in the ongoing investigation. Meanwhile, they also want to dissolve the Ayuda system that is possibly being used by some politicians for corruption and instead teach people to stand on their own feet.
Po natin gawing regular ang ayuda at nagiging area di po rin ng corruption, no? Kaya napakahalaga po, bigyan natin sila ng oportunidad mag-aral, oportunidad magtrabaho, oportunidad magnegosyo. Pag po natin gamitin ang ayuda system.
Among the group's calls is the passage of the anti-political dynasty law and the reform of the party list system, which they say should be a representation of a marginalized sectors and not be abused by a few powerful individuals or groups. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.